Welcome to Kalpas Kazana, and in this video we are going to make soya cheela. One cup soya chunks, blend it into a powder. Add half cup of besan. Add 2 spoons of chopped chillis, coriander, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, salt as per taste, half spoon chili powder, mix it well by adding some water and make it into a batter. The consistency should not be too thick or too thin. Soya chunks are known for high protein content, omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Now the batter is ready for making cheelas. Heat the pan and grease it with oil and spread the cheela batter evenly. Add 2 spoons of oil and roast both the sides. And the soya cheela is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.